All right, guys, we are back with a meal prep video. I absolutely love Mexican food. So today I am making one of my favorite meal preps. It is a lime chicken fajita bowl because we want to be eating good stuff. So we're taking some chicken breast here. We're cubing it up. We're seasoning it with their amazing Willie Pete chicken seasoning. Next, we have our onion. You got to leave one of the roots connected and then cut it along the lines like this right here and then just chop off the end. And if you notice, you have perfect fajita sized pieces. Onto your bell pepper, we're just going to peel around the skin like that and then it lays out nice and flat and you can cut your strips nice and easy. We're using a red and a green. We want to have the color difference, but also a little bit of a flavor difference. Going to take your cast iron skillet, nice and hot. We're going to sear that chicken up. We're going to keep on mixing it until it's fully cooked. If you need an easy way to figure out if it's cooked, bust out that grill your ass off instant read thermometer. If not, cut it open. Right at the end, as we hit temperature, we hit lime juice with it to get that good lime flavor. In the same cast iron skillet, throw your vegetables in there. They're going to break up and absorb all that amazing flavor we just put inside the pan. Take your chipotle cilantro lime rice. We have another video for it right here. Add it inside your bowl, add your veggies, add your chicken, and now let's get to meal prepping.